Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a true icon of American muscle, the legendary 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible. It's got the looks, the power, and that classic open-top freedom that makes it one of the most desirable muscle cars of its era. Let's break down the exterior, interior, performance, and see what makes this classic still turn heads over 50 years later. Exterior. The 1970 Chevelle marked a peak in GM's A-body styling, and the convertible model just takes it to another level. Up front, you've got that aggressive dual headlight design with a wide, confident grille, especially stunning in the SS trim, where the iconic blacked-out grille and bold SS badging instantly grab your attention. The signature cowl induction hood with functioning flaps wasn't just for looks, it fed more air to the engine at full throttle, boosting performance. Down the sides, clean body lines and bulging fenders give the Chevelle a muscular stance, like it's ready to pounce. Out back, the rounded rear with dual taillights and chrome bumper adds a touch of class. And of course, this is the convertible model, so you've got a soft top that folds down for that ultimate open-air cruising experience. Whether in factory colors like cranberry red, fathom blue, or forest green, the 1970 Chevelle Convertible looks like muscle car royalty from every angle. Interior. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that's simple, stylish, and totally driver-focused. The SS models came with a unique 3-spoke steering wheel, bucket seats, and optional round-gauge clusters that were surprisingly sporty for the time. You've got vinyl upholstery, chrome accents, and wood grain trim that make it feel upscale but still true to its muscle car roots. The dash is clean and functional. No fancy digital screens here, just pure analog dials that give you everything you need: speedometer, tachometer, fuel, oil, and temp. The center console could house the optional Hurst shifter, especially in 4-speed manual models, which just adds to the experience. And don't forget, this convertible came with power top operation, so you could drop the roof in seconds and enjoy the wind in your hair. It's the kind of interior that feels just right, no fluff, just function, and a whole lot of cool. Performance. Now let's talk performance, the heart and soul of the 1970 Chevelle. This year marked the introduction of the legendary LS 6454 cubic inch V8 rated at a pavement-shaking 450 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. That was absolutely insane for the time, and still impressive today. You could also get the 396C V8 in various outputs, or a more tame 350 small block, but let's be honest, the 454 SS was the king of the hill. Backed by a 4-speed Muncie manual or turbo 400 automatic, and paired with a 12-bolt rear end, this thing was built to run. 0 to 60 came in around 5.4 seconds. Again, this is in 1970 and the quarter mile in the low 13s. The suspension was firm for a muscle car, and the ride was relatively smooth, especially with the convertible's added weight. And oh man, the sound. That deep V8 rumble through dual exhausts is pure American muscle music. Whether you're cruising or gunning it on the straights, the Chevelle SS Convertible delivers a raw, unfiltered driving experience. So what makes the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible so special? It's the perfect blend of aggressive styling, top-tier performance, and open-top cruising that few cars of the era could match. With the optional LS 6454, this wasn't just a pretty face, it was one of the fastest and most powerful production cars of its time. Add in the convertible body style, and you've got something truly rare, collectible, and unforgettable. Whether you're a muscle car fanatic, a classic car collector, or just love the golden era of American automotive design, the 1970 Chevelle Convertible deserves your respect. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and let us know in the comments, what's your dream muscle car? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.